Now we seem to have everything in place. The seam looks nice. Everything matches up nicely. This might be pulled just a little because I see it just a little bit. But there we go. And as long as that seam is lined up, you're going to be in good shape. So now we're going to trim it and do the same thing we did to the other side. Just make sure you don't move your graphics at this point. So there we go. There's your 6 to 7 inches. There again, just trim it with your scissors. All right, same thing. Grab it about the middle and just a little bit of pressure. Put it up there. Same way here. Just a little bit of pressure. And there. So just by rubbing it right there, that's plenty to hold it. Then remove your tape. And everything seems to be lined up really nice. At this point, this corner could go up just a little bit. I'm going to just go a tiny bit on it, just to, doesn't really take much, but I can see right there. I've got it. And yep, that helped. We're good, real good actually. So it's really easy to make slight adjustments. As long as you got that tape in the right position in the first place. Sometimes you can be a 1/16 of an inch and it gives you a little bit of play to adjust it. And then if you've got too much material, that's fine. Take the end of your squeegee just like this and just push it up there and then grab the corner of it. That seals it. All right. Okay, then the same thing, let's roll up the bottom. And this is going to really brighten up the room. I mean, it's going to change the whole aspect of the room. It's going to make it look like there's more sunlight coming in. And just imagine what the other things you can do with this wall. If you want a beach scene, then do a beautiful beach scene. Or if you like mountains, then do some mountains. Just to keep in mind, don't pull on your material. Just let the material hang on its own. It's, you know, you don't have to force this material. So people have a tendency to think they've got to just pull on it and stretch it. And you do that, it's not going to line up when you get to the bottom. There again, just let it kind of lay itself. And as you can see, it's lining up nicely. That's exactly what you want to see. this is actually one of the harder graphics to line up. When you've got something this big, you know, it's a little bit more difficult to line up. So that's why we're doing this. But if you happen to be doing a lot of leaves and things, it's not quite as critical. But either way, it's still, you know, an easy process. And we're trying to make this as easy as possible for everyone. It's a very simple way to decorate your home, decorate your restaurant, or any business. You know, it's or if you got a man cave or a garage, and you want to dress it up, just do a wall or two. And it's a very inexpensive way to do it. And we've got different pictures on our website, but the main thing is you can design your own. Send us a picture, and you take a high resolution picture. Nowadays, most of your phones have high resolution built into it, so don't resize it. Send it to us in the actual size. You take as high resolution as you possibly can. Then send it to us, and we can blow it up and reproduce it. All you have to do is give us the size wall that you're working on, and we can blow it up and crop it for you. See, that's still lining up really nice, and that's all that we really want. There again, you had your squeegee. Follow right in there, just like that. That part's done. I always go back and do my edges just to be safe. And that's working out nice. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to trim it. You can take a regular utility knife that you can purchase in a hardware store. Just put a little bit of your blade out, and just get in your seam there, and then just start cutting it. Take your time peeling it in case you missed a spot. Nice and clean. We're trying to make everybody an expert at doing this, and it's just so nice and simple that you really shouldn't have any problems with it. And there again, just trim your edge. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Then the other end. So just imagine what you can do with your home. It's it's endless of what you can do. You know, you take your bedroom wall where your bed is, and just do whatever theme that you want that makes you feel comfortable, to where you can really enjoy that room. Just a little bit. And we're going to tuck it back in here again. This one's a little harder to see, so I like to peel it back as I'm going, just to make sure we're doing good. I'm trying to keep it right on top of this piece of molding, which is But there you go. That's it. As you can see, it makes an absolutely beautiful wall. For a real simple step.